What's up, everybody? Welcome back to What We Did. And I just gotta say, I can't believe we're at 50,000 miles already. Whoa, my gosh. Well, there goes the warranty. Whew, might as well get rid of that one. Anyway, we just after 40,000 miles, we had this crazy window issue. We were getting ready to leave, and all of a sudden the window would not come up. I'm like, what in the hell is happening here? I thought the kid did something to it. I had no idea, but anyway, it would move. I thought it was just a freak, software thing, something messing with the internal components and guts and all that good stuff. But anyway, we tried resetting the car. It did not work. Couldn't figure it out. So basically, just had to break out the duct tape and or at least some other tape, and a trash bag to cover up the window, because we were going to have it for about 3 days with the window down. Reason I know that is because I went through the app, did the service. Service figured out, it's like, hey, what day would you like to do it? Here, what time is available? And man, it was fantastic. It was seamless. I mean, it was just like click, click, click. I do gotta say, Tesla has done a fantastic job in those kind of categories or areas, is that they just make it seamless, or at least they did for me. I don't know what your experience has been, but it's been that way for me. Shortly after that, man, they showed up on time. The assistant technician, I guess technician's probably more like the word, technician was great, very helpful, very knowledgeable. Took her about 20 minutes actually to replace this. Here let's jump over that clip real quick, and you can see what took place with the vehicle.
And this one came off. So usually that they just roll on these wheels and roll the window up and down.
Yeah.
So since this one got caught, it probably snapped this one off.
So yeah, it was just this weird how the cables could get wrapped around each other. I don't know, whatever. It's probably just a freak thing. But anyway, it did. It happened. And so we go on. But anyway, the next thing is, it seems like more of the charging concern. I'm losing a little battery degradation. We're coming up on what are we at? 3 years? Yeah, it's 3 years, 50,000 miles, which is crazy. So, but all that driving I was doing for Amazon and Uber and all that good stuff, adds up to miles. But I think it's probably primarily is because I've only been charging to like 70% of the battery, just to try to conserve that battery life. And so from what I've seen in the past, if I were to recharge back up to full states a little bit over and over again, that would increase the battery life again. So like this, we just recently went on a trip and only got to 200 and what I got to 280.
Was it 280? 280? No.
290. So which was still, it's a little less. I mean, we started at 310. With the battery, it's come down. It used to be like 300, and my best guess is if I redid that over and over, it would probably go back up closer to that 300 mark. So anyway, that's all I got. Everything's been going great, so I hope you're having a wonderful day. Take care, check back in, and you know what? We'll catch you next time. See ya.